We're going to make a double crochet 3 together stitch as a split stitch. Now the jargon may not be the same for every pattern, but what we're going to do here is make a series of double crochet 3 together decrease stitches, but we're going to overlap them. So let's get started. I have a tutorial for a double crochet 3 together, and I have one made here. There it is, double crochet 3 together. So let's make one more. I'll start over here again. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and stop. This is to make just a regular double crochet 3 together, which is a decrease stitch. So that's the first component. I need 3 incomplete double crochet across 3 stitches. There's a third one now going into the third stitch. So I have 3 incomplete double crochet, and then I will close them all off together to make that double crochet 3 together decrease stitch, and I've got a separate tutorial for that. Now to make this as a split stitch, we are going to, I'm just going to give myself a bit of room. The chain 1 there is not obligatory, you need to read your pattern, but this is how you make the split stitch, by starting now where you finished the previous one. So we're going to go back to start our next one in the same spot we finished. Yarn over, pull through 2, and that's the first bit. Now we move across to a second stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 and hold, and once more yarn over, across, pull through 2 and hold. So now the last one ends there, and the first one also, the next one also starts there. All right, so pull through all, and that's the second decrease stitch, and you can see clearly there I have the 2 parts of this decrease stitch overlapping in the same stitch. Now it can have many different kinds of names. Let's do another one. Yarn over, you start where you finished, and you start your next decrease. So this, in this case, you're using up only 2 extra new stitches because you're using one already used stitch. Close it off, and there we go. And you can see how the gap there is quite closed. They are overlapping. Very simple, and it may be called different things in different patterns. You've just got to look at the stitch descriptions provided, and you can see the overlap there, but there it is. A double crochet 3 together, and it can be done with other stitches as well, but that's the basic principle, is you start where you finished and you're overlapping. In this case, our Hooked on Sunshine pattern uses this and calls it a double crochet 3 together as a split stitch. So if you ever come across that from Hooked on Sunshine, that's how you do it.